So time travel back to Revolutionary era Boston.
Welcome to Boston. I'm Chris Mikowski for the American Battlefield Trust, and I'm excited to bring you on a virtual field trip of one of America's most historic cities, home of fantastic things to do, and of course, some of the most iconic moments of the American Revolution. We're going to go to the site of the Boston Tea Party and have a tea party of our own. We're going to visit the site of the Boston Massacre. We're going to go out to Lexington and Concord, where the shot heard around the world echoed out the start of the American Revolution. Join us here in Boston for the American Battlefield Trust's virtual field trip.